Hi friends, thanks again for joining me for my Friday tips. So today's tip is a very quick and easy one, and I'm sure you use it as much as I do. I know lately I've been making a lot of these for my cards because it's just an easy way to add a beautiful label and a little interest to that label. So what am I talking about? Well, it's those little tails that we add to our labels. And sometimes you could use a punch or a die to do that, but sometimes you don't have those, or you don't want to pull all that stuff out. So I've got this great tip. I'm sure you've seen me using it on my videos, but let me show you what it is. Let's turn the camera. Before we get started, our starter special is still going on, so I'd love for you to join my team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. It's only $99 to join, and you get to choose $155 worth of Stampin' Up product, and it's your choice for $99, and you get free shipping. I think that's a fantastic deal and one you don't want to miss out. So today's tip, as I mentioned, is how do you create a banner end on a label? Very simply. You'll take your snips, and what I like to do is I like to eyeball where the center point is, and then depending how long I want my tails, I may come up, maybe 1/4 of an inch, or I could go up more for 1/2 an inch, but usually I do 1/4 inch, and then I snip from one corner to that point that I cut, and then I just repeat the other side. And basically what you're doing is you're creating a V. Now, if I can do this, anybody could do this. My hands are so shaky. If it doesn't go all the way up, then just snip it just a little bit more. And there you go. Very easy, very simple. I didn't use anything special except for my snips. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.